To download all Windows ISO files, you can click here, and if you are new to download this, you can open the website of the lunarcomputercollege.com, then come to the articles of how to make a bootable USB, and you will be here. And you can also get this link in the descriptions of this video. Come here down and click here all Windows ISO files and click here. Now you will be on the Microsoft.com official files download, and here you can download the ISO files of these whatever you want, Windows 10, 8 and 7. And if you want to download the Windows 8, then click here and you can select what edition you want to download here, Windows 8.1 and so on. Okay, I am using this one, and now confirm. And computer will ask you about the language you want to select. Here select the English as well and confirm. And now you can download the Windows 64-bit and 32-bit, depends on your requirements. And then if you will download this 32 or 64s, it will start the downloading and the file will save into your computer.